Sasa unajua timu jana unakumbuka tulimention na kwamba yule Apoko
Mr. Rington
mwenyewe alikuwa amemzawadia Zari a brand new car Range Rover. Akamwambia funguo ndo hizi, when you're ready come for them. Today I heard Zari on air somewhere akisema kwamba I don't even know who this person is. Kwa nini anang'ang'ana kutupatia zawadi? Mimi mwenyewe I can afford my own Range Rover. We need to
not even one.
We need to call her up right now. We can find out if drama ni nini. Alafu pia unajua kuna ile event purple color purple concert ambayo ina happen kesho. So I'm sure
sasa chukui I think kwa Waluya musidani Color Purple ni ile ngoma ya conscience ya Color Purple.
Hello, hi Zari.
Hi.
Mambo vipi dadangu?
Hi, how are you?
We're good. Hapa tunakupigia live tukiwa Energy Radio.
Energy Radio.
Yes, indeed. And we were really looking forward to hosting you, but I can understand you're busy putting the event together.
It's a hectic day, it is.
I can imagine. But how have you been so far? You know, settling in and everything, moving around. Tell us how your schedule has been.
Been good. Kenya treating me very well. Like everything is so amazing. It's happening right here in Kenya.
So, Madam Zari.
Yes.
Tuko na hapa nchini tuko na msanii wetu tunampenda sana, tunamuita Mr. Honorable His Excellency Rington Apoko.
His Excellency kutoka nini
umemsikiliza hiyo jina
His name again?
His name is Rington Apoko. Mr. Apoko, you can call him Apoko. Umemsikiza?
Apoko Rington.
Yes.
No, I don't know this guy. I've never heard of him. I actually just got to know this guy when I landed. Like my first interview today with some radio. I don't want to mention it on your radio.
Yes,
and people were telling me about him and his Range Rover and all that. I don't know this guy, and unfortunately, I'm not going to pay attention to it because it's such a non-factor to me. So I don't know this guy.
Nikauliza tu kwani kuna ubaya mtu anapokupatia zawadi? Unajua?
Hakuna ubaya kunipatia zawadi, but I don't know the guy. So
lazima ujue mtu kwanza ndio upokee zawadi yake.
I don't even know his intentions or anything.
Intentions pale.
Lakini kwanza si unachukua kwanza Kenya umepewa, alafu ndio unajua intentions baadaye. Sababu ni mtu anaitwa Rington Apoko.
Amenunua Range Rover.
Jamani, na kaweka maua pale na kaandika jina lako kwa number plate.
Isn't it just last week I got myself a Range Rover?
I know, girl.
For now, I'm looking for a guy that cannot buy me these things, but can be able to pick flowers for me in a garden or things like that. It's
simple
not about the Range Rover. I can afford that. I can buy houses. I can buy cars. I can get all the diamond rings in the world.
Lakini Zari, hiyo maua unataka aliweka hapo juu ya Range Rover. Aliweka tu pembeni mwa Range Rover, jamani. Mbona usikubali Mr. Apoko?
Look, I do not want to really be very negative towards this guy, but I think it's really sweet that he really went all out to buy me a Range Rover, and I hear he wants to give me his house. He bought me a ring. It's so amazing.
Alimwambia mpaka nyumba iko, you know, ready.
Zari, huyu mtu huyu mheshimiwa wetu ambaye anaitwa Apoko. Leo akitokelezea kwa show ya, you know, hii yako yenye hapo hivi Uhuru Gardens. Na apande pale kwenye jukwaa kama uko hapo juu na apige magoti akupatie vifungu za nyumba, vifungu za Range Rover na vesi ya flower. Na akuje na diamond ring na sema jamani nimetoa machozi nimekimbia Kenya mzima kwa Twitter. Nataka Zari utafanya nini?
It doesn't work like that. Just because, you know, I'm a very flashy person. I've got the cars and the houses and all these diamond things. So for a guy to get to me, it shouldn't really take the same thing.
All right.
To get to me. You get the point. So actually, I teach a stage like you guys are saying, oh, he's going to come on stage. He's going to do ABCD. It's not about that.
Kidogo tunakupoteza Zari. Kidogo tunakupoteza.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Haya. Sasa tunakupata vizuri kabisa.
Yeah, so it's just not about the material thing.
Yeah.
It's not about that.
Kwa wale wasichana ambao wanakusikiliza sasa hivi, wale ambao labda wako campus, wako college, those even younger, who see you in the limelight. Utawaelezea mawaidha gani ili wakaweze kuwa independent, empowered women. And kwa sababu pia tunaelekea Sunday ambayo itakuwa Mother's Day, na wao pia mbeleni labda watakuwa mothers mawaidha gani ambao unaweza wapatia hivi sasa ya kuwa empower?
It's always going to be a tough road for everybody. It's never easy. Yani mimi nikikaa hapa leo nikawaambia watu, it's just going to be easy, you can be Zari. It's not easy. You need to start from somewhere, and when you start from somewhere, you need to build towards something. You need to set goals, and once you set goals, you need to work towards the goals that you've set for you to be able to succeed.
Yeah.
So maybe I'm always saying, most importantly, you need to have passion for whatever you do, because with passion you can go a long way. And a little bit of hard work and prayer goes a long way. Yani mutu asizani, you're just going to sit there and the good life is going to find you. It never finds you. You need to be out there looking for, to get this good life. So maybe nasema watu, at the end of the day, you just need to work hard towards what you want to be, what you want to achieve, and basically that's it. That's it.
Vizuri kabisa. Tunashukuru. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Listen, we all must be there. Color Purple concert.
Definitely.
Yeah, happen
tomorrow we're starting off at 1:00. We're doing the screening, and then the entertainment starts from 6 p.m.
Sawa. Shukran sana. Na endelea basi kujionjea ukiwa hapa Nairobi, Kenya. Sawa.
Asante.
All right, my dear. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
And there you have it. Okay, how about that? Hey, all those questions that we probably had sasa zimekuwa cleared. Sijui sasa kama awadia ringtone ataendelea kulia pale aseme
mimi naona natupia Wesley hiyo noma. Wesley alikuwa ameniambia ringtone akotuna jina yake ya pili. Let's go back to this.
Jamaa mnasimu bwana. DJ Nish with us here on Energy Transit. You're listening to Energy Radio 91.3 FM in Nairobi. Let's go back to the music. Back to back. Energy.